Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word asthma. Asthma has two syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as asthma, asthma, asthma. And in American English, we pronounce it as asthma, asthma, asthma. Asthma is a health condition that makes it hard to breathe. It happens when the tubes in your lungs get narrow or swell. This disease can cause coughing and shortness of breath. The example sentences are: Number 1. She struggles to exercise with asthma. Number 2. My friend coughs a lot because of his asthma. Synonyms of asthma are suffocation, respiratory illness, anoxia. The antonyms are ease of breath, normal respiration, clear chest. Asthma is a noun. This word does not require a preposition. It can stand alone without the need for a preposition. Thanks for watching.